If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Has a long tradition for making quality striking tools for the outdoors. Estwing axes made in the 1940s have been passed down through generations and can still be found in use today. By investing in a high-quality tool, you are investing in a lasting tool. It may need occasional sharpening, but it won't need to be replaced. Outdoor enthusiasts know our line of axes, from the 16 and 26-inch camper axes to our 13-inch sportsman's axes. Our sportsman axes and camper's axes come in several styles and sizes, from the traditional Estwing blue to the matte black and a blaze orange. These tools are the sturdiest wood-splitting tools available. Forged in one piece of U.S. steel, there is no fear of the axe head separating from the handle. Choose from leather handles or shock reduction grip, special edition finished in black or polished metal finish.
Whether you're camping, clearing brush, or stacking a few cords to fuel your wood stove for the long winter ahead, you need an axe that performs. Our new X-Series axes chop 3 times deeper, deliver more one-strike splits, and outlast other axes. How? An improved design gives you more power at impact, a better blade, and a build so tough you couldn't break it if you tried. It's the right tool to help you get more done with less effort in less time. More power at impact is all about swing speed. So let's dispel a common myth. An axe doesn't have to be heavy to be effective. And our lighter axes get results that prove it. Just like a lighter aluminum baseball bat swings faster than a heavy wood bat, our perfectly balanced axes increase your swing speed and give you more power at impact. There's no need to complicate it. If you hit the wood harder, you'll chop deeper and split better. It's common sense that a sharper blade will give you better contact and cleaner cuts. We took hardened forged steel blades and honed them to a sharper edge than other axes. Then added a low friction coating to help glide through wood and prevent the axe head from getting stuck. We went even further with our splitting axes by changing the shape of the blade to blast apart logs for clean one-strike splits. Simply put, our blades are designed to help you get the most out of every swing. It's not enough to say our axes just outlast other axes. They're virtually impossible to break, no matter how intense your work is. Our fiber comp handle is light, true, but it's also stronger than steel, so it can't be broken through overstrike. The hardened forged steel blade won't crack, and the overmolded perma-head design means the blade can't be separated from the handle and fly off. It could literally be the last axe you ever buy, and that's a value other axes can't match. It's also guaranteed for life. X-Series axes. They chop 3 times deeper, they deliver more one-strike splits, and they outlast other axes. A wide range of sizes from a compact hatchet to our much-requested 36-inch splitting axe makes it easy to find just the right axe. Get more work done with fewer swings. Get extreme performance.